Alright guys, it's time for the Piscifun Phantom reel. I've already got it dialed in to where I want it to cast. I got the outer magnetic brake to 10 and I got the inner brake to 0. On measure out. Now we're ready to reel. Alright guys, you're gonna be surprised by this. 108. I dialed it in a little bit. I got the inner one, the centrifugal brakes at 3, and I got the outer dial at 0. So here it goes. That one went way out there. Go ahead and measure it. Zeroed it out. Let's go. Go ahead and start reeling. I think I launched that like a mile. And that, it did not create any bird nest that time. So if you guys ever buy this reel, go ahead and put it on those settings and it'll help you out. Both these reels have 12-pound line. So this is what we got right here. 110 feet. I give this Piscifun the casting test thumbs up.